Guys, I'm excited for this. You want to know why? This is called Extreme Mini Game Box. So I am so excited because this is the first HDMI gaming thing that I've ever reviewed. It's an 8-bit entertainment system. It's 1080 pixel quality, HD, 2.4G wireless controllers, classic games in here. So without further ado, so it comes in a nice setup here. Reminder. So it goes over a couple stuff here. And this is it. You got games that are on this HDMI, just HDMI plug. That's it. Apparently you plug this into your TV or anything, a screen monitor which with an HDMI connection, and you can play games. So I'm super excited. Let's see, we got a power cable in here. You got a manual and 2 remote controls. So that's what the remote looks like. Nice, sleek design. It kind of reminds you of the old NES controllers. Looks like it takes 2 AAA batteries. So we'll go ahead and put that in. Yeah, and the manual seems very basic. It looks extremely basic. Very simple. So very curious to try this out. So, without further ado, let's test this out. Now, it looks like it shows that you need to have this plugged in for power, which is interesting. So it looks like if you go and plug this in, and then you need to have this plugged into a USB, and then this plugged into your TV. So most TV, modern TVs have a USB port. So you just plug this in an HDMI port, plug this in your USB TV port, and you're good to go. Or if you guys don't have a USB, just get a power bank. All you have to do is get any kind of power bank and plug it into your power bank, and that's going to provide power to this, and then this just plugs right into whatever screen monitor you have with an HDMI. I can see it's already lit up, so there's a little red light inside letting us know it's lit up. So we're going to go ahead and connect this to a custom little monitor. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we got it plugged in. Check this out. So we're powering it with our power bank, and we got it plugged in underneath here. All right, well, let's start testing this out. Wow. This is pretty cool, guys. All right. Oh. Alright guys, so the quality is crisp. I actually love this a lot. So if you press select and start at the same time, you guys can actually save the game. So there's save game. Guys, this is absolutely awesome. You can do screen. Again, press select and start at the same time. You can quit. And then let's see here. If you load it up again, you can go down. Let's see if it'll let us. Press select and go down to continue. So let's see, unless we do this, let's see. Okay, so here we get a load, and then it'll load up our game. That is awesome, guys. Overall, I love this.